We're doing another Honda. I had a couple spare keys that he bought online. I'll take the floor lock out because there's a code on it. There we go. All right, I got the lock out. There's a code right here. Pretty clear actually on this one. And I can compare his key to it. New vehicle. Any Honda. Just do a cord. And we're doing a master key. We're gonna go codes. And the code is K0, looks like 313. It's kind of clear now that I'm looking at it. It's kind of not clear. K031 something. There we go. K031. I'll put a 3. Code is wrong, so it's not a 3. Hold on. I gotta look at this in the light. K031. Might be a 1. K031. That makes more sense. Let's see. K03. Oh yeah, I don't know why I added a 3. K031. All right, let's compare that to their key. And looks good to me. So we're gonna cut that.
The brand new Chevys.
Yeah.
If you just program the key with remote start, it works.
Yeah. You
Okay,
just.
so I got a 24 Silverado.
Okay.
It's a loaded. It's not loaded. It's like a work truck diesel.
Yeah.
You think it has the remote start?
Yeah.
Okay. So if it doesn't work, I'm blaming you.
Blame my customer who called me and told me that it works. But yeah, it should work. All right, cut one. We'll try it out. If it works, we'll cut the next one. Uh-oh. No, that's right. I might have to shave it a little bit more. That works. Okay. Grind it a little bit more. But that works good. Only Hondas, you gotta do this. If you don't, they get stuck. Alright, we're going to put that lock back in. Alright, let's put in these keys. We're going to do add keys, so that's his original key that works. Key program. I think he said it was like an 09 Accord. Let's see, Honda Accord 2009, key and remote. Okay, we're gonna do add one key. Ignition is on. Turn it off. Turn it on. Failure. Uh-oh. Add one key, insert key, turn on, it's already on. Turn it off. On. Off. Uh-oh. Falling apart again. New key on. Off. On. Off. Here's your security light. On, it should shut off. There we go. Security light out. Yes. Off. And it's done. And the button should work as well on this one. Perfect. We're all done.